Hello everybody, welcome back to Flutter Widgets Explained series. So far we learned how Flutter lays widgets using row, column and expanded. In this episode we are going to explain what is SizedBox. SizedBox is small, simple and extremely powerful. If your UI looks messy, SizedBox usually fixes this. So SizedBox is a widget that has a fixed width and or height. It does not draw anything, it only takes space. For example, if instead of a row, let's say here I have a sized box of width 50 and height 50, this creates an invisible 50 by 50 box. No color, no child, just space. Now, sized box as spacing, which is the most common use. Let's say that we have a column which children are a text first, then we add a sized box of height 16, then again a text second, a text third, and between second and third we add 16 size box. If we run this, you will see that this creates consistent vertical spacing. Size box um, replaces numbers everywhere. So now you will see that with size box we have this space. If for example I comment out this one, you will see that they are coming next to each other again. We can also use size box into row. So for example, this could be a row, and now we need width, no height, because we are talking about width space and not height space. Also, size box can have a child. So if we say that we have a size box of width 100, height as well 100, and as a child it has a container with colors blue. If we run this, we have a fixed container that we declared its size and has a specific color. This container is forced to be 100 by 100. Yeah, but what's the difference with expanded? Sized box gives us fixed size, while expanded gives dynamic size. If you know the exact size, then use directly sized box. If you want to share available space, then use expanded. In comparison also with padding, SizedBox creates space between widgets, while padding creates space inside a widget. And there is also the zero-sized sizebox. A sized box with zero size still exists. This is useful for conditional layouts. Now, for a very quick example, let's say that we have a sized box dot string. This takes zero space and it's often used instead of returning null. So why sizebox is general preferred? Because it's explicit, readable, and predictable. In the next episode, we will explain padding and container. Until next time, see you!